I'm working on a new project on this same channel and I need you to be featured on it. This is how you're going to do it. I know you have started your pig farming already, and even if you have not started, there are reasons why you want to go into pig farming. And for those that have also started yours already, you have a lot of unique experiences and stories you might want to share to inspire others. There are some challenges that I might not have encountered, but you have been struggling with it and you have found a way to overcome such problems on your farm. And on this channel too, I just want everything to be purely practical. It's not going to be about stories and also literature, but what is happening, actual work on the ground. So this new project is going to feature your stories, your experiences, and also your take on pig farming so far and what you have seen in it. And if you are also trying to start yours now, this is the time for you to also let us know why you want to go into pig farming. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description. You can WhatsApp me directly from there, and then I'll brief you on exactly what we'll be doing. I believe in safety and I believe in biosecurity. So I just wanted to ensure that the safety of our pigs is always a top priority to us. I know most of you would have wanted me to come to your farm, then you share with us. I will not be coming to your farm. So I wanted to have it on the phone interview. I will discuss everything and then you share everything you know about pig farming and so far what you have gotten out of pig farming, you share it with us so that we don't be moving from farm to farm and which might end up infecting our animals. That is, if I don't come to infect yours with mine, I might end up taking from your farm to my farm. Just go into the description. My WhatsApp number is there. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will take you directly into your WhatsApp, and then you can WhatsApp me from there and let me know that you're interested. It will be very nice to have your story heard on this same channel. So please, this is an opportunity for those of us also who are camera shy. We don't want to show our face out there. This is an opportunity for you to share your unique experience. And this is what you're going to do as part of the effort you're putting into this kind of project. It's also a way for you to showcase your farm. You tell us about the breed you have, your location, and when and how you sell your pigs, so that people who are interested in pig farming can quickly contact you. That is, if you're very close to them, they can reach out to you and then you can attend to them by either supplying them with your stock or referring them to other farms available. My mission and also my vision for this channel is that it should be a place where anything pig farming, you get it here. Instead of you going out there to learn and then to struggle yourself and make some calls before you get solutions. Quickly, when you log into the channel here, you should get a solution. That is why I want other people to also share their own experiences so far, diseases they were able to fight and those they are still battling with, and how they are so far moving with their business. You know, there are certain things that have not happened to me yet, but you have maybe encountered them. So it is your time to share so that somebody who's also coming here will easily know what to expect. And in case something like that happens, because he had already gotten the knowledge before starting, he can quickly solve the situation. And this one is also a way for us to help each other, because getting access to veterinarians is also a big problem. So once you pay the veterinarian to attend to your animals, you took note of the medications and other symptoms and prescriptions he gave to you, you quickly share here. So if I have similar issue and the veterinarian is nowhere to be found, I can quickly do that as a first aid precaution whilst waiting for the veterinarian, which might end up saving my animals. So let's just help each other by being a part of this wonderful project I'm starting very soon. It will be very loving to have your own voice being played on this same channel. So let's do that and let's make it happen. The WhatsApp number is in the description. This book is still available for those who want to get it, so that at least you can learn and prepare yourself before you go into pig farming, or even if you're already into it, you learn something that is happening in my end, so that at least you can transfer it in case there's the need for you to.